Hello everyone, I'm Jorge Michel Sierra, and this is the Task 7 final activity. Number 1. Reading. Emotions are states or feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at or caused by someone or some circumstances. Positive emotions include joy, pride, relief, love, and compassion. We must share positivism and joy to others by always try to be positive and cheerful. Negative emotions include anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, envy, and disgust. Number 2. Minimal pairs. Cat, bat. White, wise. Right, road. Kite, night. Take, stick. Cuffed, coat. Pin, bean. Till, pea. Teach, peach. They, pay. Thick, pig. Deal, feel. Duck, back. Date, bait. Tall, call. Tool, cool. Tape, cave. Toad, coat. Town, gum. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. Tool, good. Tag, gag. Table, gable. Tin, fin. Tail, fail. Tone, fun. Thick, weak. Number 3. Intonation. Statements with one stress. She works. We look. It stopped. Statements with two stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statements with three stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with four stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with five stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Peter is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special question following intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, politeness, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, rising and falling intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions. Falling or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands falling intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking for help. Requests rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Asking to call me, please. Exclamatory sentences. Falling intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address. Rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencils. Responses. I can't. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time.